Hello beautiful people, it's your girl guurllll. How are you guys? I'm excited today to be with you, and I'm really excited to make this video because I was just like trying to find something cute to do with my hair today, and I was like, let's just try flat twist. I don't know if you guys know how to do that, but like I really usually don't do flat twist because I like to make my hair stay in a protective hairstyle most of the time, which is a twist, which I do it with just my hair. I don't add extension. Lately that's what I've been doing, but today I was inspired because I blow dry my hair and I wanted to like which is it's already blow dry. I already add the lotion, but I'll be adding more as I'll be flat twisting my hair. So let's just get right to it, and to show you guys what I use for this hairstyle. Stay tuned because I'm about to show you what I used for this hairstyle. Just one product that's gonna do the job, and it's just gonna be great for you.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of love.
I really didn't know how to flat twist. I mean, I never really do it that often. Usually I twist one stand kind of hair, which I will do a video very soon for you guys to show you my #1 protective style that really helped me to low manipulate my hair. And as you guys know, as you manipulate less your hair, it helps you with growth, and also kind of cool for you in everyday life to kind of like know how to deal with your hair every day. I don't know you guys, but I like to kind of like have my hair in a protective style, so I don't really have to deal with it every day, because you know I kind of don't have too much time to spend, but like sometimes I just want cute hairstyle, and you know this is something that goes pretty fast, and I'm just gonna do it just right now. It's evening, so I'm just gonna do this, put like something on my hair, and then just like go to sleep. And in the morning I'm just gonna twist it, and then I hope so we're gonna have some bomb twist out, and I'm really excited about it because usually this is the first time I'm doing this, and I'm kind of really excited to see the result. So you make sure guys like you secure it, because you want it to kind of look cute in the morning, and you really want to kind of want it kind of defined, even if it's like jumbo one, jumbo twista, but you kind of like really want it you want it defined. So yeah, make sure it's tight enough. As you can see, very easy, really not that much work. And I'm just gonna work on these two. So this is the next day guys, and I kind of took out my twist, and I had just 4 big flat twists as I showed you in the beginning of the video. And this is the next day, so I take them out, and this is what I get. So I think it's kind of cool. It's not as defined as I wanted, because I think I didn't tighten up my twist very well this time. So next time, if you guys want to do this hairstyle, make sure your twists are really tighten up if you want to with more definition. But as far as the product is concerned, it's really nice because I feel like my hair is nourished, it's really shiny, and I really like it so far. So let me know in the comment if you guys like this hairstyle, if you wanna try it too, or also let me know next time if you want like more video like this. Thumbs up if you like this video, and if you like more video in the future like just this one. In the description bar below I'll be putting the link, and so you guys can follow me on social media and you can stay in touch. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you